Start by adding the potatoes to the baking dish. The potatoes are already cooked until they formed a very even base. They are very soft. Spread them out in the baking dish and use a potato masher to press them down. Spread them evenly throughout the dish. To make this recipe, use the potatoes with the skin still on. Now with a spatula, spread everything across the entire baking dish. Now season the potatoes. The potatoes were cooked only in water. Add salt and also add black pepper. Sprinkle a little more black pepper over the top. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil on top. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to crisp up these potatoes. The potatoes are out of the oven, and now add the eggs. Crack the eggs over the potatoes, which are already nicely browned. A practical and delicious recipe. This potato and egg recipe is delicious. Easy to prepare and made with only a few ingredients. With the eggs already added, the eggs are now in place. Lightly mix the eggs just enough to break the yolks and spread them around. Cover the entire surface evenly over all the potatoes. Leave everything well distributed. Now season everything. Add salt. Now add the seasonings. Add a pinch of salt. Also add crushed red pepper flakes. If you do not like it, you do not need to add it. It gives even more flavor to the dish. I like it because it adds a spicier and very flavorful touch. Now add chopped onion. I am using red onion because it tastes milder to me. But if you do not have it, you can use white onion as well. Also add tomato here. Chop one tomato and spread the pieces all over the top. Distribute everything evenly across the surface. This recipe turns out delicious and is very simple to prepare. A different recipe to serve and enjoy. Now also add kale on top. Chop 2 kale leaves into small pieces. Spread them over the top. Distribute them like this, so everything is evenly spread across the top. Also have 1 bell pepper sliced into rounds here. Spread the slices over the top to complete the topping. Also have small pieces of cheese here. You can use any cheese you prefer to give even more flavor. Spread the cheese pieces all over the top as well. Cover the entire recipe very well. There is never too much cheese. The more cheese, the better it tastes. Now add mozzarella cheese, which cannot be left out. Add plenty of cheese on top. Make a very generous layer of mozzarella. You are going to see how delicious this becomes. Spread plenty of cheese. Done. Now place it back into the oven. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. The recipe is now out of the oven. Finish by sprinkling parsley and green onions over the top. Add finely chopped green onions and cilantro. Look at this wonderful recipe. Remove a piece to show how delicious this simple potato recipe turns out. You are going to be amazed. Remove it with a spatula. Just make this delicious recipe and enjoy.